Today, I want to talk to you about condensers. That's your outdoor unit. I'm going to show you a few parts that are in there. This is kind of your basic parts in a condenser. You have your outdoor control board, also known as a defrost control board, your dual capacitor. So that's a capacitor that gets the compressor and the condenser fan motor. Then you have your contactor and your condenser coil. Your control power goes into here. This tells what to turn on. When your compressor turns on, it runs the refrigerant through the piping and through your coils. The condenser motor turns and has a big blade on it, and that's what's pushing the air through to cool down all your refrigerant. Marcus with Pool and Cooling. Follow us to learn air conditioning. I'll teach you.